Today's project, I'm doing an oil change. Please stick with me as I go through the steps. This is an easy DIY project that's going to save you money, and you get to pick the oil and filter quality you want. First thing to do is to get the vehicle up to normal operating temperature. This will help the oil and sludge to flow out of the engine more easily. I use a couple of floor jacks to raise the car off the ground. Before raising the vehicle, use wheel chocks on the rear wheels. On the driver's side, pop the hood and apply the parking brake. If you're jacking the vehicle up, check your owner's manual for the safe jacking points. The other option is to use some car ramps. Also, anytime you raise the vehicle, please do not rely on the jacks alone. Use jack stands. I use these stands to go under the wheels, and I also leave tension on the floor jacks as a backup safety. Move to the front of the car and open the hood. Grab the hood support bar and swing the support into the correct hole on the hood. On this vehicle, the oil weight is on the oil cap. For your vehicle, check the owner's manual for the correct oil weight and capacity. Quick tip, remove the oil cap before cracking the oil drain plug, as this will help the old oil drain more quickly and completely. Time to go under the vehicle and loosen the drain plug. After I break it loose, I move my drain bucket up to the drain plug and loosen by hand. Alright, with the drain plug removed, wipe it off with a clean cloth. This will get rid of any small metal particles contaminating your new oil. Once the oil is done draining, reinsert the drain plug and torque to spec. You do not want to over tighten your drain plug, as this could strip the threads. Alright, with the oil drain plug torqued to spec, time to remove the oil filter. With the oil filter located, give it a counterclockwise twist. I install my filter by hand, so I'm able to remove without tools. And remember, as you're twisting it off, to have your drain bucket in position. Quick tip for the oil change, I use a pair of tight-fitting work gloves under nitrile gloves. This prevents getting scalded by the hot oil or getting burned by accidentally touching the hot exhaust. If your filter is too tight, you can use a wrench like this to remove it. Alright, with the oil filter removed, check the mounting surface on the block to make sure the oil filter gasket is not still attached. After you've checked the mounting surface, grab a clean cloth and clean the mounting surface. Okay, I like to add oil to the oil filter and let the oil soak into the filter membrane. Quick note, not all filters will allow you for oil to be added prior to install due to the filter design or positioning on the block. Alright, time to install the new oil filter, and you only hand tighten the filter. Time to add the new oil. Remember to check your owner's manual for the correct capacity and oil weight. With the oil filling complete, reinstall the oil cap and let the vehicle sit for a couple of minutes. This will let the oil drain into the oil pan. Okay, time to lower the vehicle. Start the vehicle and let it run for about a minute and then turn it off. Give the oil another couple of minutes to drain back into the oil pan. Okay, time to check the oil. To get an accurate reading, pull the dipstick out and give it a wipe. Then reinsert the dipstick and then remove and check the oil level. The oil level should be between the add and full lines on the dipstick, and this one looks great. And enjoy a job well done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and leave a comment.